Hello, dear students and friends. Myself, Dr. Vikas Shivajirao Jadhav, working as Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Sanjoni Mahavidyalaya Chapoli, Taluka Chakor District Latur. I welcomes to you all on the behalf of Sanjivani Mahavidyalaya Chapoli, affiliated to Swami Raman Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded. First of all, I welcomes to all BSc second year students these online lectures for the academic year 2020-21. Dear students, as you know that due to the COVID-19, we are unable to conduct the classrooms lectures. That's why we have decided online classes. So we have so we hope you are doing well and staying safe with your family. Dear students, before starting before going to start chapter or units, we must necessary to know the syllabus. So this is the circular for this academic year 2019 sorry 2020 for our university. Now today we are going to brief introduction about new syllabus which is recommended by our university, Swami Raman Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, for this BSc second year. In this semester we are going to we are going to two semesters, that is semester 3 and semester 4. For semester 3 we are going to see two different papers, that is paper number 6, applied statistics. This paper total marks 15. These 15 marks divided into two groups, that is 10 and 40. 10 is continuous assessment and 40 end semester examination. And this paper credit goes two credit goes. Similarly, another one paper, that is paper number 7, continuous probability distributions. This is also same pattern for 10 40. 10 again continuous assessment and 40 end semester examination, equal to 50 marks. And paper, the course, you have seen this column SEC first. This is for any skill from optional. SEC, skill enhancement course first. This is also 25 and 25 is equals to 50 marks. Continuous assessment for third semester 25 marks and 25 for the next semester, that is 25 marks, carry 50 marks. So similarly for the semester 4, Again, there are two papers. Paper number 8, that is statistical inference and computing using R, and next paper, that is paper number 9, exact sampling distributions, and paper number 11 based on paper number 7, paper number 8, paper number 9, and paper number 10. This is the practical paper. Again, this is continuous assessment, that is only 5 marks for paper 11 and paper 12. Sorry, paper 11 only. And the semester exam, that is 20 marks. Total marks for the paper practical 25 and 25, for each grade is 1. So dear students, this is the actual syllabus for semester 3, paper applied statistics. So these are the silent features of applied statistical techniques. So this paper totally divide 4 chapters, that is chapter 1, multiple and partial correlation coefficient. You have already studied in semester 2nd correlation coefficient. So multiple and partial correlation coefficient, the chapter unit 1. Unit 2nd, time series analysis. This is a pure applied and theoretical paper chapter. In this chapter, there are different components of time series analysis, utility of time series analysis. There are different components we are going to study. And chapter 3 or unit number 3, that is index number. Index number, there are different index number, construction of index number, definitions of index number. There are different methods is there for the index number, that is Laspi index number, Fisher's index number, Paschen index number. We are going to study in this chapter. And finally, chapter number 4, that is consumer index number. So basically this is 4 chapter we are going to study in this paper number 7, that is applied statistics. Dear students, the whole syllabus, paper number 7, for scope of the syllabus, that is first one, fundamentals of mathematical statistics. This is a very important book for S.C. Gupta and V.K. Kapoor, S.C. Chand and Son, publication for New Delhi. Or you can go through the book, reference book. There are 5 reference book. Reference number 2nd, the book, that is statistics, P.G. Dikshit and P.K. Kapre sir, Nirali Prakashan, Pune. This is, I think this is sufficient for 2 books. The first scope of syllabus, that is fundamental of statistics book, is available in our SMC library. You can go through this book. Okay, now second paper, that is paper number 7, continuous probability distribution. Also you have studied the previous year theory of probability. There are different distribution you have learned: binomial distribution, normal distribution, exponential distribution, Again, this paper number 7, continuous probability distribution. There are 4 chapters. Chapter 1, uniform and exponential distribution, rectangular or uniform distribution. Second chapter, normal distribution. Third one, gamma distribution. And last, that is advanced distribution. In this chapter there are 3 important distributions, that is Laplace or double exponential distribution, Weibull distributions, logistic distributions. Finally, the overall syllabus scope same: Fundamental of Mathematical Statistics, S.C. Gupta and V.K. Kapoor, 11th edition, Yassi Chand, for New Delhi publication. Or you can go through another reference book, V.K. Rodgi, An Introduction of Probability Theory and Mathematical Statistics. This is a very nice book. You can go through the books. These books all are available on our college SMC library. So this is the basic syllabus for our third semester. So this is the brief introduction about the syllabus. If you have any question or difficulties regarding the syllabus, please comments. So today here I stop. Thank you very much.